The Maple Carousel widget is the identical twin of the Maple Grid widget, but with a carousel format. This product of Ultimate Post Kit plugin will boost the user experience for your post type sites or pages. From the layout section, you can set the column number, item gap, image size, as well as a custom height for the items to match their height. On query, you can select the source of the display items from posts. There are options for choosing specific category, tag, or format also. You can limit the amount of text on display by the number of words. The additional section has a bunch of switches. Turning them on or off will show or hide. For the navigation, you can select arrows, dots, progress, or combined. Let's go with the arrows. There are more than 20 arrow icon styles available to choose from. The carousel settings section mostly consists of options for customizing the carousel animation. You can change the layout between carousel and cover flow. Both has a different style of displaying the content. The title can be customized by changing the color and typography. You can customize the description text by color and typography on this section. Both the author and date section has color and typography options available. The category section is for customizing the category that is placed on top of the title. You'll see an icon at the bottom of the post images, which is the post format icon. However, it is also customizable using settings like That's it. Your blog post is now ready to be published. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and stay with us. Thanks for watching.